Hello everyone, welcome to the series of mathematics lessons. In this presentation, we will study about chapter 10, linear equations in two variables. In our previous classes, we studied about linear equations in one variable. Some of the examples of linear equations of one variable are x plus 1 is equal to 0, x plus square root of 2 is equal to 0. Here we can notice, we can only see one variable in both the examples. Now let us extend this idea to linear equations in two variables. Linear equations. Consider the following equation. 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. For what value of x this number is equal to 0? The solution of this equation is the value of x should be minus 5 by 2. Now let us substitute the solution in the given equation. 2 times minus 5 divided by 2 plus 5. 2 one time, 2 one time. 1 into minus 5 is equal to minus 5. Minus 5 plus 5 is equal to 0. So the solution for this equation is minus 5 by 2. This can be represented on the number line. Here we can see the solution of the given equation is minus 5 by 2. Minus 5 by 2. This solution is also known as root of the equation. We know that while solving equations, two things we have to remember. First one, same number should be added or subtracted on both sides of the equation. Similarly, same number should be multiplied or divided on both sides of the equation with the same number except 0. You cannot multiply or divide a number by 0. Imagine in a one-day international cricket match between India and Sri Lanka, two Indian batsmen, say for instance Gautam Gambhir and Virendra Sehwag, both scored 176 runs. Their partnership is 176 runs. Express this information in form of an equation. Here you can notice that the runs scored by both players is unknown. We don't know how much runs Sehwag scored and how much runs Gambhir scored. But the sum of runs scored by Sehwag and the runs scored by Gambhir is equal to 176. This could be represented as x plus y is equal to 176. Here x could be Sehwag and y is Gambhir. You can imagine in that way. The runs scored by Sehwag is x and the runs scored by Gambhir is y. Sum of these two is 176. This is an example of linear equations in two variables. We can use any other symbol for variables like 1.2s plus 3t is equal to 5, pi u plus 5 times v is equal to 9. Now let us rearrange these equations. Now let us take the first one. 1.2s plus 3t is equal to 5. 1.2s plus 3t. Now when we subtract minus 5 on both sides of the equation, we will get 1.2s plus 3t minus 5 is equal to 0. And let us take the second equation. P plus 4q is equal to 7. P plus 4q, when we subtract minus 7 on both sides of the equation, we will get P plus 4q minus 7 is equal to 0. We can notice a pattern here. For linear equations involving two variables, we can generalize a general form. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. You can notice a is in this equation. We can see the value of a is equal to 1 time p, and the value of b is plus 4 and the value of c is minus 7. In the first case, we can see the value of a is 1.2, value of b is 3 plus 3 and the value of c is minus 5. Now let us see example 1. Write each of the following equations in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 and indicate the values of the coefficients a, b and c. let us solve the first equation. 2x plus 3y is equal to 4.37. Now let us bring this to a standard form. 2x plus 3y, when we subtract minus 3.47 on both sides of the equation, we will get 2x plus 3y minus 4.37 is equal to 0. Here the coefficients are 2, 3 and minus 4.37. Value of A is 2, value of B is 3 and value of C is minus 4.37. The content of this recording is borrowed from Karnataka Textbook Society Bangalore under Fair Usage Policy. This video is presented by Avari Technologies. Please do hit subscribe button to get more content. Thank you.